Welcome to Unreal Engine 5 Blueprint Mastery, Door Systems and Interactive Portals, the only comprehensive workshop dedicated entirely to crafting advanced door mechanics and interactive portals. There is truly nothing else like this out there. A full all-in-one door workshop where you learn to design, build and animate a wide range of door systems in one structured, convenient place. Too often, game developers hit a wall when trying to create interactive systems that go beyond the basics, synchronizing animation for double doors, designing complex puzzles, or implementing teleportation mechanics can feel overwhelming. This workshop solves all that by combining everything you need in one course. Imagine learning step by step with all the tools, resources, and guidance you will need to succeed. From collision-based triggers to multi-level teleportation systems, you will unlock the full potential of Unreal Engine 5 Blueprint programming. In this workshop, you'll gain access to 41 lessons and over 8 hours of exclusive content that you won't find anywhere else. You'll start with the essentials like blueprint interfaces and game mode setup, before progressing to advanced techniques including synchronized animation, locking mechanics, and complex puzzle systems. We will start with the essentials like blueprint interfaces and game mode setup before progressing to advanced techniques including synchronized animations, locking mechanics, and complex puzzle systems. By the end, you'll even master teleportation mechanics and dynamic VFX, ensuring your door systems polished and immersive. But what makes this workshop truly stand out is the exclusive sci-fi modular level kit to create professional quality projects. By the end of this workshop, you will master blueprint communication for advanced interactivity, build immersive door systems from simple animations to complex multi-level transitions, implement save states to ensure your mechanics persist across levels, and add professional-grade finishing touches like sound effects and dynamic particle systems. Whether you design your first project or expanding your portfolio, this is your chance to gain skills you won't find in any other single course. Join the only complete door systems workshop available and let's bring your ideas to life with Unreal Engine 5 Blueprint Mastery, Door Systems and Interactive Portal course.